Introducing Canfield Connector's latest innovations in cycle and trigger timers. The TMLT MicroLogic Timer Module is a family of ultra-compact, all-solid-state timers in a vibration and environment-resistant housing. Each timer is made in America at Canfield Connector's Youngstown, Ohio facility and is encapsulated by low-pressure molding to completely seal the unit. The timers meet NEMA 1 standards due to the exposed terminals, but are otherwise fully sealed. The heart of the timer is a powerful microprocessor that is programmable to 13 time ranges, from 0.1 to 2000 seconds, and also is fully customizable from the factory. Timers arrive pre-programmed per customer order and come with screwdriver or hand adjustments for precision and added flexibility. They function in voltage ranges of 12 to 240 volt AC or DC with a syncing output, and 12 to 60 volt DC with a sourcing output. Here's how they function. An indicator light confirms the cycle timer is powered up. From there, the load cycles at given time intervals, and a reset occurs when the power is removed. With the trigger timer, the load comes on for a specified time period when a mechanical or voltage trigger is applied. A reset occurs when the load is off and the trigger is reapplied. Canfield Connector TMLT timers are low-cost, precise, and easy to program. Each is tested and validated before leaving the shop, and they're proven effective well past 1 million cycles. Contact Canfield Connector to learn more or place your order.